In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove strike-through in Microsoft Excel. Open Excel on your Windows desktop, then open the workbook that contains the struck-through task list. This is the sheet prepared from tasks.csv. Once the file is open, look over the worksheet and confirm that you can see some rows with a line to the text and some rows without it. That makes it easy to identify exactly which rows need to be changed. For the first method, use the keyboard shortcut. Click the row number for the first row that has strike-through. In the left margin, this selects the entire row. Now hold Ctrl on your keyboard and click the other row numbers that also have strike-through, so all of those rows are selected together. With the correct rows highlighted, press Ctrl+5. This shortcut toggles strike-through on and off. So here it removes the line from the selected cells. Click any empty cell to deselect, and the strike-through is gone. This same shortcut works the same way whether you select one cell, a range, full rows, or full columns. For the second method, start by selecting the struck-through rows again. Click the first row number with strike-through, then hold Ctrl and click the other affected row numbers. Once they are selected, press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog. You can also right-click the selection and choose Format Cells. But here we are opening it with the shortcut. In the dialog box, click the Font tab at the top. Under Effects, find the Strike-Through checkbox and untick it. Then click OK in the bottom right. Click any empty cell to deselect and the line to the text is removed. For the third method, select the rows with strike-through one more time. Click the first row number, hold Ctrl, and click the other row numbers that have the same formatting. Then go to the Home tab. On the far right side of the ribbon, find the Editing group. Click Clear, the button with the eraser icon. A small drop-down menu will appear. At this point, the rows that previously had a line through every word now display as plain, unformatted text. The text itself stays the same, and the row positions and column data remain intact. With the keyboard shortcut method and the Format Cells method, any other formatting on those cells is preserved, and only the strike-through is removed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.